Forget fancy trains. This ain't no Orient Express. Cambodia's bamboo train is a different beast. This is raw adventure. Imagine this, a bamboo platform, a motorbike engine, and miles of open track. The wind whips past you, the sun beats down. This is what it's all about. The bamboo train was born from necessity. After years of conflict, Cambodia needed to rebuild. People needed to move goods and themselves, so they improvised. They built platforms from bamboo, they used old train wheels. And for power motorcycle engines, pure ingenuity, the bamboo train was born. The train rumbles to life. You grip the edges as you pick up speed. The scenery flies by. Rice paddies, villages, palm trees swaying in the breeze. The track is bumpy. The ride is rough, but that's part of the thrill. You feel every jolt, every turn, a true connection with the land. The bamboo train isn't just a ride, it's a window into Cambodian life. You see farmers tending their fields, children waving as you pass, a glimpse into their world. This experience stays with you, the sound of the engine, the feel of the wind, the warmth of the Cambodian sun. Don't just visit Cambodia, experience it. Ride the bamboo train. Gap 2S. The bamboo train, or nori, is more than just a means of transportation. Its history is woven into the fabric of Cambodian culture. Cut to historical footage of old bamboo trains. In the 1980s, amidst political turmoil and economic hardship, resourceful Cambodians repurposed abandoned railway tracks to create this unique mode of travel. Gap 1S, cut to interview with an elderly local. We built the bamboo train because we needed a way to transport goods and people. It was simple, but it worked. Gap 1S, cut to modern footage of bamboo train in use. Gap 1S. Over the years, the bamboo train has become a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. It's a testament to the Cambodian spirit, demonstrating how necessity can inspire innovation. Gap 1S, cut to interview with a younger local. Riding the bamboo train connects us to our roots. It's a reminder of how far we've come and how we adapted to survive. Gap 1S, cut to scenic shots of the countryside from the bamboo train. Gap 1S. As you ride the bamboo train today, you're not just enjoying a unique travel experience. You're journeying through history, feeling the pulse of Cambodian life and witnessing a living legacy of resilience. The bamboo train isn't just a ride, it's a story that continues to unfold with every trip. Gap 2S. So when you visit Cambodia, don't just see the sights. Ride the bamboo train and become a part of its enduring tale. A Gap 2S. As the bamboo train glides along its tracks, a breathtaking panorama unfolds before you. Cut to wide shots of lush green fields and distant mountains. The route is a living canvas painted with vibrant hues of green, stretching as far as the eye can see. Gap 1S, cut to close-ups of local flora. Wildflowers in a riot of colours dot the landscape, their petals dancing in the gentle breeze. Gap 1S, cut to footage of local wildlife. Look closely and you'll spot the diverse wildlife that calls this region home. From the graceful flight of birds to the playful antics of small mammals, each moment is a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Cambodian nature. Gap 1S, cut to shots of a serene river. As you pass by serene rivers, the water glistens under the sun, reflecting the tranquil beauty of the surroundings. Gap 1S, cut to footage of local farmers working in the fields. You'll also witness the harmony between nature and human life. Farmers tending to their crops, children playing by the tracks, and the occasional water buffalo grazing all add to the picturesque charm of the journey. Gap 1S, cut to sunset over the countryside. And as the day draws to a close, the setting sun bathes the landscape in a golden glow, creating a scene straight out of a dream. Gap 1S, cut to shots of travellers enjoying the view. Riding the bamboo train isn't just about travel, it's about immersing yourself in the natural beauty that defines this part of the world. Gap 1S, cut to final wide shot of the countryside. So, sit back, relax and let the scenic splendour of Cambodia's countryside captivate your